I got
Boxy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you're here for the first time, hey, hello, what's up, welcome. As you can tell from the title, we are here with another Boxy Charm. So this is my April's Boxy Charm, and yeah, we about to dive on in. As y'all know, comes in a box, shipping information is on the back, and we about to get into it. Sorry if I look naked, I have on a shirt, but sorry. So get your handy dandy scissors. Gonna slice open this tape. Be careful. Is it open? Yes, it is. So it's not a little noisy in here, but yes, this is it. I got a card this month. Thanks, Boxy Charm. Oh, I got a coupon, 55% off my next purchase from Misguided. They're giving me a reason to shop. They're giving me a reason to 55%. That's more than half off. Oh yes. If y'all want 55% off your next Misguided purchase, I'm gonna give y'all my code. The code is Boxy55. Don't say I never gave y'all nothing. Don't say I never gave y'all nothing. And the first item I see, this is an eraser. This is cute. This is cute. Like, it even feels like an eraser. Wow, this is mad cute. Sunset, the original makeup eraser. Erase all makeup with just water. What's in here? I'm intrigued. Okay. Wow. Wow, wow. It's wet. Oh, it's so soft. Wow. So this is a the #1 sustainable makeup remover in the world. All you gotta do is add water and just wipe off the, wow. It's, y'all, it's so, like, you can tell by looking at it, it is so soft. Like, it's mad soft. And you know what's crazy? I'm mad lazy when it comes to taking off my makeup. Like, I will take it off, but it's literally like a process. So just add some water and wipe off. Not a problem. This is so cool. And then the packaging, y'all know how I feel about packaging. Like, y'all know I'm a sucker for packaging. This is dope. This is really dope. This retails for $22. Like, this is dope. So the next thing I got in this box is this Elemis Superfood Hydration Juice. It's a super hydrating gel. Is this for hair? It's for your skin. It says apply every morning to cleanse skin, moisturizes and improves the look of skin texture for a more even, calm, and balanced look and complexion. This retails for $48, and I got it free in my Boxy Charm. So the next thing I got in my Boxy Charm are these beauty blenders. Like, it's, first of all, this packaging is A1. This neon green, good job. This is so cool. I don't know if you guys can see it. There's a face. Like, do you see that face on it? Then it comes with the mini one, which is like perfect for like in the corners and like on your nose when you're trying to highlight your nose. Perfect. Hank and Henry beauty sponges. And this retails for $20. Beauty blenders is expensive, okay? Oh. I got the Pore Professional primer. Wow. From Benefit Cosmetics. Yes, I love these primers. I just never really got to buying my own. So now that I got one in my Boxy Charm, I I love primers. Like, I just love a good primer, because what good is your beat without a good primer? So this primer benefits, it benefits me. This primer retails for $32. The last thing that we got is this Lavish 5-piece neon eye brush collection. Oh yeah, baby. So this is what it looks like. It says Lavish right here, and these are all neon colors. It reminds me of like elementary school when we had like our pencils and like a pencil case, and I always had the colorful pencils. So if you stole my pencil, I would know. This is dope. This is dope. So we have this brush right here. Does it detail the brushes? No. I'll give each of these brushes their own job. So this brush is like, I believe this is a blending brush. It's pink, my favorite color. This one is another blending brush, but it's more stiff. This is an angled brush, a green angled brush with a spoolie at the tip, so you know this is good for your eyebrows. This is another brush, a blue one for packing eyeshadow, I believe. And this is another thin brush. I guess you can use this if you have like a dip lipstick or something. This is nice. A1. I'm feeling this box. Boxy Charm is doing a thing for me right now. Okay, so that is all for this box. This was a really good box. I did enjoy the things. I do enjoy the things that are in here. Next month completes my 6-month subscription. I'm not sure if I'm going to renew it again, but I really did enjoy my Boxy Charms. This month was really great. So that is all for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you aren't subscribed already, and I will see you all in my next video. Mwah.